how to remove the background from a logo in Canva. To show you this, I've prepared this image I want to use as a mockup. I'm gonna go to my Uploads tab here on the left, and I'm gonna choose a photo of my logo. Okay, as you can see, it has a background, which I want to remove. Let me just resize this so it fits the box, like this. Okay, so to remove the background, I have to click on the photo, like this. I'm gonna go to this top left corner where it says Edit Photo. And then you wanna make sure you're in Effects, this first tab here. And you wanna look for BG Remover. This stands for Background Remover. I'm just gonna click on it. And as you can see, it right away removed our background perfectly. And now you can just resize it and fit it to your mockup, like this. And that's how you remove the background from a logo in Canva. I hope this was useful. Remember to like and sub, and I'll see you next time.